So far so good. I'm liking it. It is nice to see the Leopard back in action. It's been a while. It's been a long while. It's nice. What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a great day, because I sure am. Because today I finally have an update on this bad boy right here, the Ausom Leopard. And now, for anybody who doesn't already know, I'll just give you a quick recap of what's happened with this scooter so far. So I bought this scooter back in November on a $6.99 Black Friday sale. So I got the scooter in and did a first impressions video on it. Everything went fine on the scooter. The scooter rode great. The top speed was, it was my only real complaint with this thing. But it was really great on the suspension wise. It rode incredible. So the next video that I tried to do on it was actually a range test to see exactly how close to the 52 claimed miles of range this scooter could actually get. Yeah, so to do the range test on this thing, I took it out to Alcoa Greenway, which is absolutely beautiful greenway. Absolutely love it out there. It's so gorgeous. Went out there on the greenway, was about, I'd say about 8 miles in at that point. Went up a decent hill, like a pretty good sized hill, and then I almost to the very top of the hill, it was kind of dragging down on speed, and then it ended up actually like losing the throttle for me. It just went to like a dead spot for like a couple of seconds, and then it went right back into giving me throttle. So I didn't really think too much of it, maybe just a hiccup, so I just kept on going for the ride. Went down the greenway a little bit more, maybe about a mile more, and then it lost the throttle again. And then looking back on the video, I noticed it showed the 005 error code on there. So I kept going a little ways more, got up to this corporate loop area. It ended up shutting off completely on me over there. I was about 9 miles in at that point, so I had to end up walking back. So it was a long day. It was not too much fun. And now once I got back, I tried to stay in high spirits about this thing, you know, because I try to remind myself, hey, you know what, it's got a warranty. They're going to cover it. Little did I know this was the start of a very long process with this company. Now this company, I believe, being based out of China, there may be slight language barrier. There's definitely a time barrier. I don't see how it's possible over the World Wide Web. However, communications was really slow. When I first communicated with them that there was an issue, I'd say it took them probably at least about 7 to 9 days to finally respond to me. And then once they did, it started the process of, like, you know, show me what it's doing and everything like that. Fast forward a little bit, about 80 emails back and forth, sending videos and stuff like that. Then after doing some research myself, I had found that, like, on the actual battery setup on this thing, the battery wire that comes out of this thing and actually powers this thing, there's supposed to be a 30 amp fuse block on there that was not on this thing, not at all. So what ended up happening was I ended up having to pull up this rubber mat. This mat right here that you stand on, it just kind of peels up. It's stuck on there with some adhesive. There's bolts on the bottom of there that you can actually access this panel that lifts up, and then you actually get access to the battery. The battery takes up like this whole spot on the deck right here. And then you've got the controller that comes across here. Like, I don't think it's in there. And then once I pulled up this deck, then it was confirmed that, yeah, it definitely wasn't in there. And after finding out what could have happened, it's a big no-no, because this thing could have, like, blown up the battery and ended up catching on fire. So I don't know if it was just a QC quality check mishap kind of day in the factory that day or what, but it happens sometimes, I guess. But Ausom did eventually end up getting back with me. like I said, after about 80 emails or so, they did eventually get back with me. They sent me out a battery. The really crappy thing about them sending out the battery, though, was the battery was actually only just a couple states away the whole time. And had they just been all like, okay, so yours doesn't have the 30 amp fuse on the wire, we'll send you a new battery, because that's what it needs. Okay, so did it fix the situation? I don't know. I put the battery in it, I charged it, everything seems to be fine. It powered up normal, it shows fully charged. I've got it out here. I'm actually going to be running around this school here that I'm at, the parking lot, just a couple times, just to make sure everything's on the up and up before I get too far away from my car, so I don't have to walk too far back. And if that is the case, I don't think that's going to be the case today, though. I think this thing's gonna, it's gonna pull through some positive vibes, positive reinforcements. It's gonna be a nice ride. So once I do a couple laps around here at the school, which I'm gonna go ahead and gear up right now anyways, because the wind, it's kind of chilly. It's 50 degrees out here today, but however, a little breezy when you're going about 20 miles an hour. So I'm gonna put on my jacket and helmet that I have over there. So basically, you guys are here for the telltale on whether or not this thing is actually going to work. So thanks for stopping in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because I've got plenty more videos on this one that were planned that kind of took a back seat because of this failure. And I also have a new scooter on the way, so stay tuned, because it is my most exciting scooter that I've ever purchased. So I'll be glad to share everything that I learned from that, and also take you on plenty more adventures, like the ones that we did out in Knoxville at the haunted tunnel, the trip up to the bluffs, and many more. So like and subscribe, and let's get to this one. I enjoy number 2. That's my power setting. Okay, good vibes. This is gonna go great. Let's do this. Oh. Okay, so take off the parking lot there. It was right up to 20. We're gonna ride around here. School parking lot on here a little bit. Gonna go too far. It runs good. I've missed driving it. It's fun. That suspension. Yeah, nice. Very nice. So, first loop around, I'm very impressed. Things running nice and smooth. I'm enjoying it. I have missed this Leopard. This Parapop, this helmet is not as restricting as I thought it would have been. I tried on my Ceviche before, and it did not go so good. This one is going nice. In here. Alright, so I asked them that the volt gauge that quickly jumped down from 54 down into like 51, 52. Not experiencing any power loss just yet. So this will be third gear, fully mashing the pedal. Exactly. Fully mashing the thumb throttle the whole way. Just getting on it, just bringing it out. Feels like this is dual motor. Next episode, well, not the next episode, but definitely be on the lookout for something with a dual motor. That'll be a kind of a treat for you guys coming. Behind, good. leopard. I'm excited to be using the leopard again. This is nice. I miss the leopard. The ride quality, the quiet of operation. It's a good scooter. It runs good. I'm gonna stop up here. Here behind me. Pull over up here. I'll check the scene. Alright, let's go check this little spot out. Used to go for some walks up here, but never really. There we are. Alright, here, check this out. Oh yeah. Well, that water's moving too. There's a deer. A couple deer all over across the water there. Yeah. That's pretty cool. Never know when an adventure's where it's gonna take you. Yeah. Continuing now on this test. Going so far so good. I'm liking it. It is nice to see the leopard back in action. It's been a while. It's been a long while. Alright, battery's done. Camera change. Well, battery change. Get back out here. Now, this is actually a nice little spot here that I'm looking to incorporate for the future of the channel, doing like a summer series of riding one of these scooters to work and back for the summer instead of using a vehicle. I'd like to just be able to kind of cut up right through there. Kind of cut up right through there, and there's a golf course up there. And once you're up on there, you could just like go up through the golf course. There's bridges that connect over through there, so that's what I'd like to do. I gotta talk to this guy about it first. Scoot. Scoot. Nice spongy suspension on this, so it's, well, maybe spongy isn't the word. Springy, responsive. It's actually really nice. Let's see how well we can keep up with that truck. Let's see what we got. Oh, no, diesel. Diesel. Hell yeah. I'm different, man. I'm right through there. Very good. A signal. We're gonna run right with him. Golf course. Oh, while we're there, we're going to go ahead and leave now. Oh yeah. That's okay, just keep it up. Look. Oh, it's here going to be the true detector. Oh shit. Okay, it's getting away from us now. Come on, girl, you got it. GMC Denali, whatever, 1500. I don't know what to call it. Sierra. But we are cruising, and this is a comfortable scooter. I had to turn on the cruise control, but it is doing good though. A lot better than I thought. I was scared that it would be dead by now, because after that range test on it, I did end up riding it down this road to test it, and it did fine. It did like that spot where I stopped to, look at the water. It did okay till there. And once I went down that street a little bit down there before that turnaround, once I got there, it wasn't too happy. It didn't like it. So good. Nobody's coming through here. I'm going to cut through this gravel lot here. I need to go to this stop sign. Getting on back out here to the school, and I'm going to tell you, I'm happy. I'm happy because it did just fine. Check the brakes on it. Not bad. Not bad. Hell yeah. Alright guys, so that is it. I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this update video for you guys on a high note. The Ausom Leopard did awesome. It handled all those hills down there, held pretty good speed all the way down there, was comfortable the whole way. This is really a really nice scooter, and I want to say thank you to the crew over there at Ausom Support who took care of the warranty claim for me. I know it took a little bit of time, but they took care of me. They handled it. The scooter's back up and running, so thank you again, Ausom team. Awesome, you did awesome. I can't wait to get this scooter back out on some more adventures in the future. I missed time with it, unfortunately, with this mishap with the battery incident, but now that it's all fixed, I'm very excited to get back out there and go on many more adventures on it. Cruises around Knoxville, cruises to haunted places, cruises wherever you want to go. Let me know where you want to go. If you know any areas over in Knoxville that you'd like me to explore on the scooters. And also stay tuned, because I've got this new scooter on the way. I'm very excited about it. It is going to be a world of fun. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And like I said, I got plenty more on the way. And this is it for this one. And we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.